Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you are going to cut or copy text from a text box to another text box. Okay, so first you are going to click on the box and click edit text. So if you're going uh, to copy or cut the whole text, so you can click or type in on your keyboard Control A. Okay, so it will automatically highlight all the texts. Okay, but if you would like some portion of the text, you can just drag your mouse and highlight the words that you are going to cut or to copy. Okay, for example, you would like to uh, copy or cut all the text, Control A. You can right click, cut, and choose cut or copy, or you can also use combination keys like Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl X for cut. Okay, so as you can see here, there are no available text box for you to cut or copy the text to. So what you're going to do is to click add elements, okay, and choose another text box. Okay, so a text box will be added to the um, okay, to this, and you are just going to resize it. Click edit text, and please delete or erase the existing text in the text box. Okay, after deleting the existing text, you can type in Control V for paste, or you can also right click and click paste here. Okay, so as you can see, it is um, pasted. Okay, so that's how you're going to cut or copy text from a text box to another text box. So if you find this video helpful, please click like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.